Hey guys, the Recon here, and I will be doing another video on Run Bird Run. This is episode 2, and last time I just got this puppy guy, so. And yes, this would probably be a series. Make sure to comment other games I should do. And actually, I'm going to try to get at least 2 this time. These will be very quick videos, just like 4 minutes or something. I don't know. But eventually I probably won't get any guys. Try to stay up high. Toss you candy. Candy. Let's see how much I'm saving up for. 20. Okay. About 9 more. Where's the first candy? Oh yeah, I shouldn't have done that. That was a bad round. Oh, okay. There's your first candy. There's your first candy. I needed 8 more, I think. Yeah, 8 more. Oh no, I can't. I always get caught up in going for the candies, and no. I end up getting, end up getting, like, killed. I want to change it back to normal. I like it normal a bit better. But eventually I'm going to get more if I have enough. And by the time this series ends, I will have all of the birds and all of the backgrounds. Hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah, I will, because this is a pretty fun game. And I love doing it. See, I got caught up there. I'm going to go for a record this time, because I can get blue candies, I think. Tell me if there's more candies other than blue and normal, original. Oh gosh. It's just like a big platform now. Okay. I'm going to try to stay around here. I'm really good over here. And I haven't been playing this at all after the first video. So, yeah. Come on. And I know our record's 75, so I'll try to beat that too. No. Oh, I beat a record though. 82. And I got 20. Sweet. That works. I'll get him. Oh, that's cool. Pretty cool. I like this guy. Dang it, this is not a good start. Whatever. Let's get 2 candies off the start. I'm going to go for 25, and then that's going to be it for this video. But I will make another very soon. And yeah, this is actually a really fun game. For some reason I thought that it wouldn't be that good because, well, Run Bird Run. Oh, that was bad. But I just thought it wouldn't be as good as all the other games. But it's actually really fun. And go ahead and get this game. Yeah, it's Run Bird Run, but it's really fun. Gosh, why do I go for that? Dang it, that was a really bad one. Whoops, wrong candy. Oh, wow. I want to see how much the most candy is. I think you unlock those 2 guys are having the circle and the other game, Don't Touch the Spikes. 2,000. Okay. And I will be doing it in order. I won't, like, save up for, like, a random 200 or something. But, okay, let's go again. Okay, and that was a really bad start, but it's going. It's going. I hate it when the candy goes and then the box crushes it right away. Yeah. until you hit that 25. Whoop. Yoop. This is so hard. Nah. I'm doing really bad. I'm gonna go for a record this time. That's an okay start, I guess. Because you can, if you stay up high, you can just pop down right away, so super easy. No, what the heck? Yeah, I'm in the middle of a round, I'm about to die. No, I wasn't. Okay. Ooh, that was 2 candies, that was too good. Oh. I'm getting good candies this round. Oh, that was a big climb. I didn't need to do that. I hate the 4s. When the 4s drop, there's like nowhere to go. Especially when it starts to come fast. Nah. 3 more candies. I won't just die right away. I'm just going to try to do this round and get 3 candies. Uno. Dos. Tres. Oh, I'm done. Okay, I'll keep doing this round though. And go for more candies. Big climb out. I'm just going to do that now. No. Up and I played this game a little. I didn't have it, but I played this game a little more before I started making these videos. Like on, I'll just die. Before on my friends. Oh wow, this is laggy on a game like this. What the heck? No. Ugh. It didn't let me do anything. So I'm going to get the last guy. Last guy. No, I need 25. Never mind. Okay, it's back to normal. You go really fast for a bird, and it's funny to see their eyes like bulge up when you go for it. It's so funny. So funny. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. And this is very, 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 very hard when it gets, when it gets to come down right away. Okay, I'm gonna get the last guy. 25. Yay, fishy. Fishy. Fish. Okay. Yay, so that's it for this video. See you guys next time. Peace.